Hello everyone, welcome back to that cyber guy. The purpose of this video is to help you out if you're trying to access a file on your network or a NAS on your network. For example, you see once you go on the file and you have a bunch of like resources on your network and you're trying to access them, or if you are having like issues like wrong username, wrong password, or there's a policy that blocks it. So what's happened is that with the newest Windows automatically disable shared resources. So the purpose of this video is to help you enable that. Now if you're having any issues like trying to access any file on the same network, this video is for you. All right, let's go ahead and get started right here. What I want you to do, you can press the Windows key and R, and then, whatever, if you try to access anything, you can see you have error message. But what I want you to type in order to fix this error is to type uh, global group policy or gpedit.msc. So this is gonna open the local group policy of your computer, and I want you to expand this a little bit. So on Windows 11, so you're gonna go to the administrative template, and then we are going to go to the network because this is where the issue is. And I'm going to expand it a little bit, and I want you to go to LAN Man workstation. Once you double click on that, so you're going to look for enable and secure logon. You're gonna double click on that, and you're gonna just go ahead and just enable it and hit apply and hit OK. And once you are done, you can just double click again to make sure that it is enabled. And then there we go. You should be able to just press Windows R or just go into any file and try to access the file that you really wanted to access. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to add them into the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy learning.